Let's find the equation of a line tangent to f of x that goes through this point. Alright, so I'm going to start off in point slope form. And the slope of point slope form is going to be the slope of the tangent line. And the slope of the tangent line will be the derivative of f of x at this x value. So I first need to find the derivative, and then I can go and plug 1 into it. So this one looks like we've got the product rule, got something times something. So product rule says take the derivative of the first, which would just be 1 times the second, plus the derivative of the second times the first. And so there's our derivative. So if I plugged in 1 in for x, see, this goes to 0. So it looks like the derivative of the tangent line at x equals 1 is going to be e. So plug in an e here. Okay, for point slope, the only other thing I need is a point. Well, I know the tangent line goes through this point, that's why I was using it. And it also goes through that point. But I can plug this in for x1 and this in for y1, which there's really no need because subtracting 0 doesn't do anything. So this is how I would write point slope. Now it's very close to slope intercept. You want to distribute the e, and I guess there's your slope intercept. But this is supposed to represent the equation of the line that goes through this point and is tangent to this line. Alright, so we can use our calculator here to check a couple of these things. So first, let's say I want to check this information. Was the derivative at 1 actually e? So by going to alpha window, option number 3 for me, I can ask my calculator to take the derivative with respect to x of x minus 1 times e to the x, and evaluate that when x is 1. So hopefully this comes out to be e, and e is about 2.718, so that looks good. But let's go ahead and also compare. So it's a little bit off here. I think the algorithm that the calculator uses to compute this is just slightly off, but still the same for us up to like 5 decimal places. So that's going to be fine. All right, so that checks that. And then to see that this equation works, let's go ahead and also graph the function. Put my zoom back to normal. Okay, so this function goes to the point 1, 0, and I'm trying to find the tangent to this. So here's the tangent line. Hopefully this equation is this line right here. So let's go ahead and graph it. Slope of e, y-intercept of negative e, and there we go. Looks good. So that one also checks out.